up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate. So guys, it's been a long time, but I'm back in action. I'm here with my friend
Rosie Bay, like B-E-A.
Yeah, we are going somewhere. We are going to enjoy our money. You're going to be seeing where we are going.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. So guys, it's been raining and my friend Rose Bay had taken the umbrella to the neighbor to keep it for us. Then we proceed with our journey to Sezibwa Falls. We are going to Sezibwa Waterfalls. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I've never been to this place. So I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I'm so eager to see many new things because I've never been to a waterfall before. But my friend here said, she was like, why don't I take you and you experience these good vibes? Oh my god, I can't wait. So we had to first take some chapati here because my friend was complaining that she was hungry. So you have to take some chapati, then we proceed with our journey. There is no way you can travel when you're hungry. So chapati is one of the street foods that are found here in Uganda. Yes.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
So guys, we have boarded one of the cheapest means of transport here in Uganda, that is taxi, and we are good to go. So we are here in a taxi heading to Sezibwa. Simanyiyo naye bagamba liriko ko bagambye kondakta.
Omwana ogenda mutwala leero.
Bwe namusangayo tugenda wamu. Abadde oyagala asooka akyale.
Kuwulirira ebigambo.
Ebyaki?
Abeera ojja muleeta enkya.
Enkya togenda kubeerawo.
Ajja kugenda naye kajja kuwulirawo. Ajja kukatwala.
Ani mulese ne tugenda wamu.
Ajja kukatwala, ajja kubawolekeramu. Kagumye kagambye kuma.
Agumye naye wange ni awe wange tewaliyo yawo tugenda mukyanga ki
Ati jjukiramu ekiba kikiramu omumanyi okulamu omutya.
omutya naye agenda kumanyiira mpola mpola. So guys, we are here in the car and so we are in Mukono town, but most of the people, all the people have got out of the car, so we are just remaining there, me and Rosie. I think they are going to put more people again, but I don't know what time are we going to do this time. But we shall be patient. Yeah.
Never really know what's going on.
So guys, here we are. We have reached, but we've not reached to our destination. We have left the taxi, so now we are going to get a motorcycle. My friend is here comparing the cameras. She's comparing her Samsung with my iPhone. Oh my God. So guys, we are going to get a motorcycle and we are going to stay Caesar Falls. So guys, stay with us. So today it's a Friday and people are coming from the mosque. Guys, I've liked the mosque, like the way it is constructed. I've just liked the designs and whatever. So yes, this is Saziwa Mosque, I think. I don't know the name, but that's, I guess. So we are floating and waiting for the board. That is a motorcycle. Come and take us. We are on a motorcycle right now. Can't wait to see you. Okay. Yeah, I can't wait to see you in Western Uganda. We are in central Uganda, but this place looks like my home village in Western Uganda. That's what I've liked about this place mostly. So this is the signpost for the waterfalls, and this is the way that will take us. We have already left the motorcycle, and this is a walkable distance. We've reached the place, Saziwa Falls, one with nature. Yes. So we are going to. So guys, keep in touch with us and watch the video until the end, and you enjoy. So guys, this is me. I'm heading to Saziwa Falls. I already hear the sound of the water. Are you hearing the sound?
At first I didn't pay attention, but now I'm hearing.
Right now we are in the forest. So guys, this is my outfit of the day from the designer Rose Day. Behind the camera.
Demi.
And this bag is crochet. I made it myself. So this is how I decided to look today, going to the place where I've never been. I'm so excited, and at the same time I'm nervous. But guys, I expect enjoyment. Enjoyment. So guys,
So Sarah, I've brought you here. I want you to have the best experience ever. I fear disappointing people because you guys, how do I say, I convinced
you're the
her
one
to come.
who convinced me.
I told her you should come and experience this. So I don't want you to get disappointed. I want you to enjoy.
Yeah, I expect that.
Yeah.
I now will enjoy.
But you should expect shocking things as well.
Of course.
Yes. Don't expect only lecture walks, hiking, the breezes. You should also expect shocking things, and you'll see those shocking things from there when
I reach.
Yeah.
So guys, this is a cold forest. Guys, honestly, the weather right now is cold.
Yeah, it has been raining.
And the forest is
giving.
So guys, let me show you around.
So yeah, that is the road to Saziwa.
So this is the road to Saziwa, and this is the environment right now. And the sunshine, you know, guys, in Uganda, it is the country of the sunshine. Come to Africa and experience the sunshine.
Dance and we enjoy.
We are about to reach the gate of the Saziwa. Yes.
This place is beautiful.
Of course it is beautiful. I've liked the place already.
Already?
Yes.
Ingamba linenda nikoteeka TikTok nga akakwatira mwana. Naye anasaba kwekwatira ka TikTok. Nekaliwe kati. Bannange bali nabo bajja tulemesa. Omuntu abantu batunula n'owulira nga naawe weeraliikiridde.
So guys, we are going to reach, and this friend of mine here has told me that entrance for the Ugandans is $1. It is $1, but I don't know,
But
when
if
you're
we
not
just reach there
Uganda.
and this person be like, you guys, we increase the prices, we shall say no. We came not knowing.
We came
on
knowing.
budget.
Yes.
We came on budget.
So we shall ask them the price for other people who are not Ugandans, because we don't know. We don't know. And yeah, my friend has told me that this place they are shillings. I've never seen a shilling before, but I'm expecting to see it. Rose, when you reach, you see the shillings there, like the shrines. They were calling them shillings.
So this is,
you reach. Mukwano, like, are they there, like the houses?
but you're going to
We are seeing you.
get surprised.
Yeah, we have to expect, like.
No, that is a surprise. I will not tell you.
My goodness.
Yes.
Guys, you see how my friend is looking beautiful and smart. They want to steal her from the way. So guys, the gate is here. We are now reaching the gate.
Shall we get a chance?
We shall. So guys, we are near the reception here. So we are going to pay the money. So this is where we pay from. Okay. So guys, so guys, we have entered. So this is the press. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and watch out for part 2.